OPOWIS, Women's 12-piece care box, full of feel-better self-care gifts. This box contains all the perfect relaxation gifts. This is like a hug in a box. There's an all-season soft sympathy blanket. Keep her warm. A silk eye mask. She needs her rest. A hairband to take the hair out of her face. Warm the toes up with these fuzzy socks. This stainless steel bracelet. Life is tough, but so are you. A 20-ounce insulated stainless steel tumbler. This mug is a hug from me to you. There's also a beautifully scented candle. Here's a pretty, all-natural handmade rose soap. These shower steamers have amazing aromas. And last but not least is a personalized greeting card. This 20-ounce tumbler is great. Hot drinks stay hot and cold drinks stay cold. There's even a hole for a straw. Who doesn't enjoy using a straw? This is the OPOWIS Women's 12-piece care box. Show her you're thinking of her. Thanks for listening and watching our video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.